Antarctica, the frozen continent. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest place on Earth. It is a huge continent located at the very bottom of the planet, surrounding the South Pole. It is covered almost entirely by ice, making it one of the most unique and mysterious places on Earth. The size and location of Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent, covering about 14 million square kilometers. This means it is nearly twice the size of Australia. Unlike other continents, Antarctica does not have any countries, cities, or permanent residents. It is mainly used for scientific research, with people coming from different countries to study the environment, animals, and climate. The coldest place on Earth. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. The lowest temperature ever recorded here was -89.2 degrees Celsius at a place called Vostok Station. Even during the summer months, temperatures remain below freezing, usually around -20 degrees Celsius. The icy winds in Antarctica can be very strong, sometimes reaching speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour. A land of ice and snow. Almost 98% of Antarctica is covered in ice. This ice holds about 90% of the world's fresh water. Some ice sheets in Antarctica are more than 4,000 meters thick. If all the ice in Antarctica melted, sea levels around the world would rise by about 60 meters, which would flood many coastal cities. Animals that live in Antarctica. Even though Antarctica is a frozen land, some animals have adapted to survive in the harsh climate. Penguins are the most famous birds in Antarctica. The emperor penguin, the largest of all penguins, can survive the extreme cold. They live in large groups and take turns keeping each other warm. Seals are another type of animal found in Antarctica. They have thick layers of fat, called blubber, that help them stay warm in the icy waters. Whales visit the waters around Antarctica during the summer to feed on krill, which are tiny shrimp-like creatures. Blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, can also be seen here. No people live in Antarctica permanently. Unlike other continents, Antarctica does not have any native human population. People do not live here permanently because of the extreme cold and harsh conditions. However, scientists from different countries stay in research stations for a few months to study the ice, weather, and wildlife. Antarctica is a desert. Even though it is covered in ice, Antarctica is actually the driest place on Earth. It is considered a cold desert because it gets very little snowfall or rain. Some areas of Antarctica have not had any rainfall for millions of years. 6 months of daylight and darkness. Because of its location at the South Pole, Antarctica has very unusual seasons. During summer, the sun never sets, and there is daylight for 6 months. During winter, the sun never rises, and the continent is in complete darkness for 6 months. Hidden lakes under the ice. Beneath the thick ice, there are hidden lakes that have been trapped for millions of years. One of the largest lakes, called Lake Vostok, lies deep under the ice. Scientists believe that studying these lakes might help us understand how life could exist on other frozen planets. Why is Antarctica important? Antarctica plays a very important role in the Earth's climate. The ice in Antarctica reflects sunlight, which helps to keep the planet cool. Scientists study the ice and snow here to learn about past climates and predict how the Earth's climate might change in the future. Interesting facts about Antarctica. Antarctica is the only continent with no native human population. No polar bears live in Antarctica, they are only found in the Arctic, at the North Pole. The largest iceberg ever recorded broke off from Antarctica and was bigger than some countries. Antarctica has the cleanest air and purest water in the world. Antarctica is a fascinating and mysterious place, full of wonders and scientific discoveries. Scientists continue to explore its frozen lands, hoping to uncover more secrets about our planet and beyond. Love amazing videos? Don't miss out! Hit that subscribe button now and join the adventure! Like, share, and stay tuned for more exciting content.